Today there is some problem. Yes, I am going to, just a minute, beta. I am going to share my screen. So I think it will be
Students
visible.
stopped writing
Is
in the
it,
chat
beta?
box.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Visible now.
Okay. Right. So today we'll be revising paragraph. Right. So let's know how to write a paragraph. Okay, beta. So what I'm going to give you the topic. It is how did you spend Sunday? Okay. So your topic is how did you spend Sunday? So first you will tell me in the chat box, you will type in which tense will you give me answer? Which tense will you use to give response? I want proper. Beta, mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Anji, beta, I want proper answer. Proper answer. Again, I'm telling you, I want proper answer. Only, it should not be only past. Again, I'm telling you, you are to talk about grandchildren. You are to talk about grandchildren. I hope you remember. कौन से grandchildren की मैं बात कर रही हूँ? Okay. Beta, again I am telling you, you are to give response. You are to tell me about the grandchildren. Grandchildren, do you remember grandchildren कौन से थे? Father, three sons, and then grandchildren. So you are to tell me your answer by telling which grandchild will you use. Okay, so it is very good, very good. You all have given answers. Some of you are still wrong. It is better simple past tense, right? So you will use simple past tense. Beta, आपने सिर्फ when you are writing past. Again, I am telling you, there you are talking about that son. You are not talking about grandchild. Okay, so simple past tense. Okay, अब now how will you start your composition? Tell me. I told you some tips were given to you. Some tips were given to you. I gave you some hints also how to start. So how will you, what is the most important thing to do? What will you do at first? सबसे पहली चीज आप क्या बताओगे? जस्ट वो ब्रीफ में मुझे बताओ यहाँ. Okay, very good. It is introduction. Very nice. It is introduction. Okay. Now, I am not going to give you any hints. I am not going to give you hints by the time you start thinking. By the time you start, better please don't type introduction now. By the time you keep on thinking कि आपने किसके बारे में क्या आप इंट्रोडक्शन लिखोगे, just keep on thinking about that and start typing in chat box. This is how we all, now we are here, 62 members are here, so it means just think कि 62 brains काम कर रहे हैं तो कितने सारे हमारे पास sentences हो जाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे अगर 62 में से अगर 3 टीचर्स हैं तो 59 स्टूडेंट्स आर सिटिंग हियर, सो 59 ब्रेन्स आर एक्टिव नाउ. सो जस्ट थिंक कि हमारे पास कितना मटेरियल हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स शेयर ईच अदर्स आइडिया. सो हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रोडक्शन? क्या लिखोगे आप इंट्रोडक्शन? आई एम गोइंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू माई आइडिया. हो सकता है कि इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स कि आप लोगों के आइडियाज मेरे से ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं. So what will you write? What will you write in the chat box? So the thing is that you will write introduction. So what are the sentences that you are going to write for introduction? Start with one sentence. Okay, let's see who is the first one to type the first sentence of introduction. Very good. This is how we will learn how to write a paragraph. Uh, Before writing anything, keep this thing in mind that this is introduction. Now, okay, if I want 3-4 responses, after that I will share my idea with you. Okay, Sunday is the day when all the people feel free with no work. Okay, very good, good idea. You can get idea from this sentence. It is quite similar to my idea. Very good, very good. This is Prisha. Good. Sunday is the relaxing day. Beta spelling check karo. Spelling please be careful while writing. Relaxing day for everyone. Everyone relax. गलती पकड़ी गई. Everyone relax on this day. No. अब अपने आप ठीक करके लिखो क्या गलती है यहाँ पे. I'm not going to tell you. Make it correct. बेटा नीलम बेटा दोबारा से लिखो आप. Sunday is a very enjoyable day. Why? Sunday is the relaxing day for everyone. ये copy paste. Very good. A Sunday is a fun day. Okay. Why so? Sunday is a holiday for everyone. Yes, it's a holiday for everyone. So everyone feels dash. You can start. I've given you hint. Early, beta, I am wake up. Mayank ji, beta tenses सीखे नहीं क्या फायदा बच्चा. This thing is based on tenses. Okay, let me check. Yes, a Sunday is the day when people get up late in the morning. Okay, very good. Then after this introduction you have to relate it with yourself. क्योंकि मेरा क्वेश्चन है आपने संडे कैसे बिताया, राइट? सो माय क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड यू स्पेंड. ये इंट्रोडक्शन देके फिर आपने अपने आप से रिलेट करना है इसको. संडे इज अ हॉलीडे फॉर एवरीवन. अ संडे इज अ फन डे. इज बेटा कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करो. very special day as there is a holiday on Sunday. Very good. And every person spends a lot of time with his or her family. Very good. And after that, how will you relate it? Okay. Is a holiday. Holiday के spelling check करो. For everyone's नहीं बेटा. Apostrophe नहीं for everyone. It is relaxes. Yes. Neelam Rani, you have made the correction. Good, better. Sunday is the very funny day. Why so, beta? A Sunday is the day when people get up late in the morning, and after that, best day for relaxing. Very special days. There is a holiday. Okay, अब इसके आगे लिखना शुरू करो. Introduction हो गई. इसके आगे लिखना शुरू करो. Super day because no one go on their work. No one go. क्या गलती है मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. Check it yourself. No one go. बस मैं point out कर दूंगी. You have to find out your mistake on your own. No one go. What will be the right formation? Happy, joyful. What is this happy, joyful, beta? It's a very special day as there is a holiday. I think this is copy paste. Okay. बेटा ये अनमोल. I think it is नीलम अग्रवाल is अनमोल. बेटा खुद भी लिख ले. कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करो बच्चे. Okay. हाँ जी. Okay, ये स्टूडेंट this is I don't know who is it. Crush on Bhangra. On Sunday, I wake up late in the morning. After that, I fresh up and play table tennis with my father. Completely wrong. आप लोगों ने खुद मुझे आंसर दिया है कि we will write in simple past tense. And whenever we write anything in simple past tense, we use V2, second form of verb. So this is wrong. हाँ जी बेटा. Do it. I spent my Sunday at home with my family due to COVID-19. So we can't go anywhere. Could not. No one went. Okay. I spent Sunday with playing family and some school work. No one went. Beta, please frame proper sentence, बच्चे. Sunday is a very special day and all will spend there. बेटा will कहाँ से आ गया बच्चे? will नहीं. Okay, so I wake up at 6 a.m. I go for बच्चे अभी रुक जाओ. Wait. आप लोग गलती क्या कर रहे हो? आपने simple past tense use करना है. You are to write in second form of verb. बच्चे. Second form of verb use करनी है. Simple past. So please make it correct. Okay. On Sunday I wake up. I went to playing playground and with my friends. I woke up. बेटे forms of verb learn करने के लिए बोला था. तो second form wake up के लिए second form क्या होगी? वो. Okay. Yes. On Sunday. Okay. Very good. Everyone has a holiday from their work. I also have a holiday from my school. Every Sunday I woke up at 9 a.m. in the morning. Then I went in the washroom to brush my teeth. बेटा ये आप ना yes wait again किसी ने गलत लिखा है. My mother cooks special dishes. बच्चे again this is not the topic how do you spend Sunday. It is how did you spend Sunday. आपने संडे कैसे मनाया, कैसे बिताया. यहाँ पे आपने हाउ डू यू नहीं है, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. इन द लॉकडाउन संडे वी कैन सॉ बेटा कैन के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है. सो प्लीज बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर. ओके so we enjoyed. Okay, yesterday it was my sister's birthday, so we enjoyed a lot and it is a happiness and a super Sunday. It was a super Sunday. Okay, right. एंड प्लीज बेटा हाँ दैट रिमाइंड्स मी, ये बार बार जो आप ये लिखते हैं ना आई वेंट इन द वॉशरूम, ये वो, जस्ट स्किप दोज थिंग्स दैट यू डू एवरी डे. सो स्किप दोज थिंग्स. आप ये बताओ कि आप स्पेशल क्या किया संडे को. यू नाउ बी वेरी मच प्रैक्टिकल. आप ये थ्योरीज में मत जाओ कि आपने ये किया वो किया. जस्ट बी प्रैक्टिकल कि आपने कल किया क्या, मुझे ये बताओ. दैट विल बी the whole composition. How did you spend Sunday? यही तो है और क्या है. So tell me about your day that you spent yesterday. Okay? आपने कल जो दिन बिताया, कल संडे था, वो बताओ क्या क्या किया. आपका टेस्ट आज सीईटी था. Nobody wrote about that. I washed my face. Okay. बेटा आप रोज नहीं करते, ये संडे को स्पेशल किया था. प्लीज इस तरह की चीजें नहीं लिखो बेटा. ओके आप सुबह उठे, आपका आज टेस्ट था. सम ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर सीईटी, सो यू राइट अबाउट दैट थिंग. ओके नाउ यू ऑल हैव रिटन, नाउ यू ऑल हैव गिवन योर आइडियाज. राइट नाउ आई गिव माय आइडिया टू यू. इंट्रोडक्शन आपकी ठीक थी. संडे इज द डे दैट कम्स आफ्टर 6 वर्किंग डेज. वी फील रिलैक्स्ड ऑन दैट डे. So yesterday also it was Sunday, so then you can continue with the things that you did yesterday. Now I give you some hints. Then using those hints, you will tell me what are you going to write. Okay. Now introduction is okay. You all have given introduction. Some of you have already told that I got up at late, I got up at this time. It is okay, as it was Sunday. So nobody gets up early. Even I didn't get up early. Okay. So you feel relaxed on that day. So uske baad, now just see the third point. It is different activities that you did from morning to evening. आपने सुबह से शाम तक जो किया. I hope some of you help your parents. Okay. So I am not telling कि girls करती हैं, boys करते हैं. आप करते हो in any one or the other way. You all help your parents. So you can write about that thing also. आपने हेल्प की पेरेंट्स की किस काम में की, that you can write. Then you can write about the preparation of your CET also. Written work complete किया, टीवी देखा, games खेली. Definitely we all know that we cannot go out. So being the Sunday which is under COVID-19, we couldn't go out. So we all stayed at home and all the family members were together. ये सारी चीजें हम लिख सकते हैं. Now you write according to this. Now I want all days are like Sunday. Okay, and all days are boring. We can't say all days are like Sunday. Daily we are working. No, every day is not Sunday. Rather more hectic. हाँ जी बेटा. Yes, I make बेटा जी again make before writing anything. Be very particular, very particular कि आप फर्स्ट फॉर्म नहीं यूज करो. Please again and again I'm telling you, you will not use first form. Is I came back and prepared. Okay, played with my pet rabbits. Okay, then I watched Doraemon with my brother. Okay ji. Okay. Lot of time with his or her family, and on last Sunday also again. हाँ जी बेटा गलती है कुछ यहाँ पे. यस अनमोल बेटा अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटे, आपको पता है आपने क्या गलती की है? डू यू नो? कैन यू टेल मी? कैन यू टेल
I
मी आपने
don't
क्या
know.
गलती की है? नो, यू डोंट नो? Are you listening? Whatever I am instructing, are you listening, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you making mistakes? It means you are not listening, because the same problem I am seeing in your sentences. Beta, you are using first form of verb. You are not to use first form of verb. Okay, now mute yourself. Uh, then I'm okay, G. Okay. On Sunday, I helped my mother in cleanness. Cleanness. ये cleanness क्या होता है? I helped my mother in cleaning, in washing. ये होता है बेटा, right formation. Then it is on Sunday. My grandfather was so I sit for him. Sit, sat by his side and helped him. बेटा again, क्या फायदा मेरा इतना बोलने का? Again you are making same mistake. Please, it should be simple past tense. Okay. Next, it is on the Sunday I increase my knowledge. How did you increase your knowledge? You are to write about that. I read the newspaper. Okay. I read some books of GK. This is how you are to write. Okay. Bete, I don't know who is this Yadram. Okay, you write the things again. You write the things again, Bete. You write the things again. Okay. Right. It is. I made a cake from the biscuits. Oh, very good, very good. After that, I helped my mom clean the house. Then I played with my sister. Okay. All these things are. Now, come to the last point. Quickly. Come to the last point. Last point is how was the day? So, what will you write here? Bete, I read a dictionary. You don't read a dictionary. You try to find out meanings. Okay. Okay. Anji beta, ab last, how was the day? So this will be the concluding line of your paragraph. So what will you write here? What will you write here? बेटा अगेन ये जो आप लिख रहे हो ना, इज अ वेरी स्पेशल डे फॉर ऑल पीपल, ऑफ ऑल पीपल. नहीं, ये फर्स्ट लाइन आनी है, ये लास्ट नहीं आनी. द डे इज अगेन इज इट संडे टुडे? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट. We are talking about past. Then I prepared for the next day. Okay, but tell me about that day. How was the day? At night, what did you feel about the day? How was the day? Pleasure day? No. Pleasure day, it is not right formation. Pleasure day? No. Okay. My Sunday very amazing, and it was an amazing day, and I enjoyed the whole day sitting with my family. This is how you are to conclude your paragraph, right? So I have told you, जब भी आपने कोई paragraph लिखना है, now listen बेटे, now listen बेटे, listen बेटे. Whatever you are writing, you just note down the things in your notebooks. That will be a practice for you. Whatever the idea, sometimes we feel कि after that we get some more ideas. So try to write about it. अपनी रिवीजन के लिए अपने पास लिखो. ओके ओके बेटा. सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ. आपने ये सारी चीजें लिखनी. इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हेन डिड यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज एंड हाउ वाज द डे. सो दिस इज अबाउट संडे. कुछ भी आपको ऐसे होगा, कोई भी कॉम्पोजिशन होगी, यू विल स्टार्ट विद इंट्रोडक्शन एंड एज्यूम योरसेल्फ इन दैट सिचुएशन. अपने आप को एज्यूम जब तक नहीं करोगे, तब तक आपके दिमाग में आइडियाज नहीं आए. Okay, so I hope the things are clear to you. And now Param ma'am, she will start her activity. Okay, thank you very much beta. So if anybody of you feels like asking me anything, you can ask me afterwards, right? Okay, thank you beta. Yes Param ma'am, please continue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Good morning, students. We are doing chapter 6, activities of chapter 6, and we will continue that chapter today. And Hope all the concepts of this chapter are clear to you. And if any problem is there, you can ask me, okay? Anytime you can ask me through the WhatsApp also. Right now you can ask me through the chat box. Okay, so let's start. My screen is visible and I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay,
visible, ma'am. You're audible to ma'am. Yes.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, beta. Now you have to write the answers in the chat box and you will write only that answer which I asked you to write. Okay, don't go to the other question, okay, until I ask to write that answer. First one is correct the underlined words. Okay, so bold me underlined words say they are not correct. You have to correct these. I'm going to read the first one. Siberian crane is known for its longest migration from Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle. What will be the correct word? It will be Siberian crane is wrong. So, Siberian crane की जगह पे आएगा Arctic tern. Okay, very good answer. It is Arctic tern which is known for its longest migration. Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा distance travel करता है. Okay, and the name is Arctic tern. Okay, ये bird होता है. Siberian crane is also migratory bird. It comes to India every winter to breed. Okay, Siberian crane, they come to India every winter. Okay, वो भी एक migratory words हैं. Migration means mass movement of animals every year. Okay, हर साल mass movement means groups में बड़े बड़े groups में animals migrate करते हैं and they come back also. They migrate for breeding purposes in search of food and to avoid harsh climatic conditions. Beta, mute yourself. Now Siberian crane नहीं आएगा तो it will be Arctic tern. Now you are writing the next answer. अभी मैंने बोला नहीं बेटा आपको. Second is mammals have scales on their body and they move by crawling on the ground. And the answer is very good. It is reptiles. Reptiles के scales होते हैं उनकी body पे and they crawl on the ground. Mammals crawling नहीं करते. Okay. So all the mammals, they have 4 limbs, FOUR, 4 limbs to walk on the ground, to run on the ground. Clear? Can you write a few mammals? Name a few mammals. Yes, beta, abhi answer nahi aaya. Yes, mammals. Elephant, yes. Lizard is reptile, it's not a mammal. Clear? Human being, bat, very good. Okay, dog, cat, camel, all these are cow. Yes, very good answer. Clear? So all these are mammals and they walk or run on the ground. Okay, उनके scales नहीं होते. Scales किसके होते हैं? Reptiles. Okay, reptiles have scales. Now can you write a few reptiles? कुछ reptiles के name लिख सकती हो? Yes, very good. Snake. Okay, snake की limbs नहीं होती, legs नहीं होती. It moves with the help of scales and plates. Crocodile. Okay, crocodile moves with the help of short legs. Lizard, very good. Chameleon, yes. इन सब की short legs होती हैं. Only जो snakes होते हैं, they do not have limbs. जो reptiles हैं, and they move, they crawl on the ground. And see the third one now. Reptiles give birth to their babies. Reptiles, no. Very good answer. Yes, beta. Snail is not correct answer. Mammals give birth to their babies. Very good. Most of you are writing correct answers. Mammals give birth to their babies. Reptiles, they lay eggs. Okay. 1 or 2 exceptions होती हैं, but otherwise Most of the reptiles, they lay eggs and they don't give birth to their babies. Mammals, they give birth to their babies. Very good. Now next is fourth one. Crabs use lungs to breathe. Is it right? No. Crabs use dash to breathe. Yes, very good. They have gills. Okay, like fish, they are also aquatic. So all the aquatic animals, they use their lungs to breathe. Most of them. Clear? Only a few exceptions are there, like whale fish. Okay, and you can say dolphins, seal में भी lungs होते हैं. Otherwise, most of the aquatic animals, they use gills to breathe. Okay, for movement, they have fins. Clear? Movement के लिए उनके पास fins हैं और for breathing they have gills. Very good. Now next fifth one is forests have hot and dry climate and very little vegetation. Very good. It is not forest, it is desert. Good answer. Desert have hot and dry climate. वहाँ पे बहुत कम बारिश होती है and it is hot temperature. Daytime बहुत गर्मी होती है. So very little vegetation is there because there is less rainfall. Clear? So next is now give two examples. The first one is animals that use lungs to breathe. Yes. First one, animals that use lungs to breathe. You have to write two animals which use. Yes, whale is correct answer. Frog you cannot because frogs do not use the lungs in water. Yes, salamander and frog, दोनों naval is not correct. दोनों amphibians हैं. They use lungs when they are on land. Okay, so you have to write the animals which use the lungs all the time. All the time they use the lungs. Yes, very good. Whale and dog, correct answer. Yes, lion, cat, dog, very good. Human beings आपने लिखा ही नहीं. You also use the lungs. Crabs बेटा no. Crabs की gills होते हैं. Human beings are there. Sheep is there. Good. Goat is there. Okay. So many animals are there. All the mammals, they use lungs to breathe. Clear? So see the second one. Animals that use spiracles. Spiracles means holes in the बॉडी. उनकी जो आउटर स्किन है उसमें होल्स होते हैं विच अलाउ द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. वेरी गुड. ग्रास ऑपर, वेरी गुड. यस बेटा कैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, ants is correct. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Cockroaches, grasshopper, yes, good answer. Okay, so next is animals that use body surface to breathe. Animals that use body surface to breathe. You have to write two animals which use body surface. Body surface में frog नहीं आएगा because frog use moist skin only when it is in water. Yes, amoeba is correct answer. One more. Yes, amoeba and paramecium. Clear? Very good. Amoeba and paramecium. Clear? Paramecium की मैंने वीडियो में आपको पिक दिखाई थी. तो you have to write amoeba. Amoeba is correct and second one is paramecium. No one has written paramecium. Grasshopper is wrong. Body surface नहीं use करता. It uses holes in the body. Yes, earthworm can be there, but yes, paramecium and amoeba. Clear? So paramecium and amoeba is the correct answer. Now next is organ used by frogs to swim in water. You have to name organ used by frogs to swim in water. इसमें 2 examples नहीं आएगी, इसमें 1 answer ही आएगा. Name the organ which is used by frogs to swim in water. Yes.
Ma'am, can gills also?
No बेटा, swimming के लिए जो organ use होता है to swim. Yes, you have to write. अभी तक correct answer नहीं आया. Yes, अभी भी नहीं आया. Limbs इसकी nose. No, अभी भी answer नहीं आया. Yes, I'm going to tell you. Frog uses webbed feet. Now I got the correct answer. Yes, only webbed नहीं लिखना. You have to write webbed feet. They are used to swim in water. Clear? So frogs use webbed feet to swim in water. इनके जो पैर के claws होते हैं उनमें एक जाली सी लगी होती है, okay, which help it to swim in water. And organs for movement in mammals. You have to write which organ is used by mammals to move on the ground. You are also mammals, but you use your, yes, only 4 limbs. FORE 4 limbs? No. Yes, FOUR 4 limbs. Correct answer. Very good. You have to write 4 limbs. FOUR 4 limbs means most of the mammals, they run, they walk by using all the 4 limbs. Like camel को, cow को चलते देखा ना, वो चारों अपनी legs use करते हैं. Dog, cat, camel, elephant, सभी ये only एक bat mammal है. It can fly, and human beings, they use their they use their hind limbs to walk. They do not use their 4 limbs. Clear? So webbed feet, 4 limbs. Very good answer. Yes, some students are very good. They have written all the right answers together. Very good. Yes, next is, now you have to name the organ used for movement by this animal. Look at the image, look at the picture. Okay, name this animal. This is, yes, write down turtle and name the organ of movement used by this animal. कौन सी organ use करता है to move? Yes, gills तो बेटा breathing के लिए use होते हैं. Yes, fins कहाँ होते हैं? Fins तो fish में होते हैं बेटा. Yes, no. Shell is used for protection. Limbs इसकी special होती हैं. They are not, yes, 4 limbs is correct answer, but more correct it will be if you write, yes, paddle like limbs. Very good, Shivang. Very good answer. Paddle, PADDLE, paddle like limbs are used by this animal. Clear? So paddle like limbs of turtle help to push water and it help to swim in water. Now see this animal. Okay, clearly see, you can see the organ which help to move. Clear? Movement में कौन सा organ use हो रहा है by this animal? First of all, write the name of this animal. It is a snake. ओके आपको क्लियरली दिख रहे हैं उसकी बॉडी पे स्केल्स हैं. ओके एक और पिक मैंने शेयर की है. यू कैन सी द प्लेट्स ऑल्सो. ओके उसके जो अंडर साइड उसके प्लेट्स की रोज आप देख सकते हो. वी कैन से स्केल्स और प्लेट्स. दीज आर यूज्ड फॉर द मूवमेंट बाय द स्नेक्स. सभी रेप्टाइल में स्केल्स होते हैं. ओके बट कुछ के लेग्स होती हैं तो दे यूज देयर लेग्स. एंड कुछ एनिमल्स होते हैं, सम एनिमल्स आर देयर, दे यूज these organs. Clear? Now see the next one. Look at this image. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो मैम पिछली साइड दिखाना
बेटा उसमें स्लाइड में स्केल्स थे. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू लुक एट दिस पिक्चर.
मैम उसमें भी हार्मलेस लिखा था मैम, एक में वेनोनस
वो आपको नहीं देखना. उसमें सिर्फ आपको स्केल्स और प्लेट्स लिखनी है. जो हार्मलेस लिखा था वो चीज आपको नहीं लिखनी. वो प्लेट्स में एक एनल प्लेट होती है, वो उस पे आपने नहीं ध्यान देना. यू हैव टू सी ओनली प्लेट्स एंड स्केल्स. नाउ लुक एट दिस इमेज. These are name the animals. Locust. Very good. And this one, yes, look at this image and name the animal. Butterfly is not common butterfly. You have to name special name of this butterfly. It is monarch butterfly. Okay, so now fill in the blank. Dash travel from Canada to North America to and North America to Mexico. Out of these two, which animal travels from Canada and North America to Mexico? It's migratory. Monarch butterflies. Very good. Yes. Second, dash travel in a huge swarm and destroy standing crops. Okay. ये आपको दिख रहा है इमेज में.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to write these blanks in notebook.
No, beta. This is just a practice. Okay, you have to write in the chat box. Like all are writing. Locusts, they move in the huge swarms, means बहुत बड़े groups में वो fly करते हैं and they travel and they destroy the standing crops. Clear? That's all about today. Now I'm going to share the Google form. I want to check. Okay, you have to check if all the concepts are clear to you and solve it very carefully. First of all, read the question carefully. After that, you have to write the answer. Clear? Wait for the link.